ngifuna into engifuna ukuyazi, into engifuna ukuyazi. Nani ufunani esithenjini? Nani ukwenzani lapho njengoba sokunje? Hayi ukuthi ngoba mhlambe ngihlekisa ngani. Yazi, all along I've been saying this multiple times, all the times, consistently so. Mawusesithenjini ufana nami umaka boy nontombazane nolasborn. We single mother. When will you ever accept that? Ngoba makuthiwa i-school night or i-concert esikoleni uzohamba wedwa ngoba ulapha kwamabanibani. Ingane hardly see their father because ukwamabanibani. Wena ufana nami. In fact ngingcono mina because sengi-acceptile ukuthi ngingedwa. Wena udlala indoda ephethwe yituturutu. Uyikhohlisa ukuthi usemshadweni. Kodwa ukemshadweni uwedwa. Uyangizwa singithini? Uthatha 5 to 6 days before uzobona indoda yakho ngoba ihamba kwamabanibani. Nizoyizwa nini? Nizoyibona nini lento ukuthi udoti? Kunini ngitshela anizwa. Nisaba okufana nathi ngoba kuthiwa thina siyi lost cause angithi. Nkampana kaba lost cause khona bakibe rubbish ya monna mo sithembungu samasipha. Never.
And she went on to tell of one brave man who wanted to be her man, the man of the house, whatever. She was like, no, F no. You want to come here and steal my peace? Absolutely not. We don't need a man here. I am the man. What do you think of what she's saying, though, that women in polygamous marriages are single women, single mothers? Because this man will be seeing them on rotation, maybe once a week. What are your thoughts around polygamous marriage and everything that Kelly is saying about them being single parents? Let's continue in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.